of course, the UB1M trade. This is an interesting trade because, first of all, we haven't been trading it all year. We only started in February, so the numbers are going to be skewed a little bit. Also, I use this as an opportunistic trade, so I like to get into the market when we've had an overextension or when the volatility shifts a certain way or that type of thing. We've had no opportunity for the last 2 months in the market. You enter a trade, you're paying too much, essentially a fairly high value for a trade. We're at risk of taking a fairly significant loss should the market break out of its range, particularly to the downside, because of the way the volatility is. So the opportunity really hasn't been there, so we really haven't been very aggressive at entering anything. And as a matter of fact, we're only halfway, almost didn't enter a June trade at all, and even still I'm only halfway entered. So it's going to mute the returns a little bit. But I think we're doing fine. It's just, it's not problematic, it's just we're not making as much as we normally would in this market. Usually, with this particular trade, I'll make a lot of money when we get a lot of price movement back and forth. I'll wait for an overextension, you enter a position, you wait for the market to pull back, you enter a volatility to shift in a favorable way for us. We enter a position. We haven't been doing that this year because we just haven't had a whole lot of market movement.